Hello, everyone. My name is Chelsea, and I'm here with all of you for another quiz time. Woohoo! Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, everyone, let's get started. I am a type of food. I am made from wheat. I am a type of noodle soup dish. I taste salty, and sometimes I can be very, very spicy. I was introduced as an instant noodle to Korea from Japan in 1963. But Korean instant noodles are different from Japanese instant noodles. I am one of the most popular foods in South Korea because I am very cheap and very easy to make. Have you already guessed what food I am? No? Okay, I will now give you the biggest hint with cooking time. Everyone, are you ready to cook together?
Hooray!
Great! I say ready, you say go. Ready, go. Okay. First, boil water in a pot. And then add the noodles and seasoning from the packet. Let boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Now, you can add eggs, some vegetables, kimchi, and even cheese. And then you're done. Wow! This recipe is so quick and easy, and it smells so delicious. It's simple and delicious. Now, Korean instant noodles are very popular around the world. What kind of noodles do you like? 육개장? Okay. 신라면? 신라면. 불닭볶음면? Delicious! I love 진라면. I start with the letter R. What food am I?